Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the fetal wrist brace. It's received 4.6 out of 5 stars. It's a #1 bestseller on Amazon, and over 3,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. Are you tired of dealing with wrist pain from carpal tunnel, sprains, or other injuries? Don't let discomfort hold you back. This premium wrist brace is here to provide the support you need to heal faster and feel better. Designed by experts, this wrist brace offers adjustable compression to reduce swelling, ergonomic stability to limit harmful movements, and an ultra comfortable fit for all day wear. Made with breathable, lightweight material, it won't irritate your skin even during long hours of use. Whether you're working, exercising, or resting, this brace provides the relief and support your wrist deserves. Perfect for anyone dealing with carpal tunnel syndrome, recovering from a sprain, or managing repetitive strain injuries, it's easy to use, fits most wrist sizes, and can be worn on either hand. Don't wait to take control of your recovery and comfort. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.